The integral part is our whānau and what we do. It's not just about the physical well-being for whānau, it's about understanding kaupapa, establishing connections and rapport, understanding that wairua has a bigger part to play in the overall hauora for whānau, and that whānau also have a big part to play as well.
Our systems did need a review. They needed a full overhaul because the day-to-day became difficult for kaimahi to execute what whānau needed. The basics really do impact the overall quality of what we could see could be achieved.
One of the things that I really wanted to do was to just make the journey easier, not just for our whānau but also for our kaimahi. Whānau shouldn't have to re-navigate themselves through different service lines when we're just one organisation. So it was trying to make things really simple, centralised and more integrated together so that kaimahi could work together to make whānau's journey easier.
In trying to procure a new IT vendor, what we wanted to look at is how could they benefit each and every service that we had and find those who had worked with other iwi providers or other hauora providers, and then that would give us the confidence to move forward because they would understand our environment. The assumption amongst the IT providers where your needs would meet the needs of others because you all fit in the same type of category. You need Wi-Fi, you need printers, you need access to Microsoft. What set Stefan apart is when we sat down, he said, I won't guarantee you perfection, but I'll guarantee that we will take on every problem. For me, that highlighted the significance that he would be able to take accountability when things were disruptive, and that set CodeBlue aside for me to those that said, oh, we can fix your issues based on our own experience. We needed a learner IT provider because we ourselves were learning what does a good IT environment look like for our service. When we first brought CodeBlue on, they had recommended a bunch of vendors to improve our systems. One of them that stand out to me is FUJIFILM. FUJIFILM were in charge of doing a turnover for our existing printers. Now that became a difficult task with, as you can imagine, 30 years of old printers and trying to find out where things were and where our contracts were. What was important at the time for me and what I found significant is CodeBlue, or Stefan and Ryan, they decided to sit with us as they do with all of our vendors, and they act as a guard to draw the line between what's needed and what's not. I always found that comforting. The key benefit is that we could really move towards our goal of data sovereignty. We had quite a significant amount of existing systems that made it difficult and they hinged upon one another, which means our ability for quality, control, understanding when we were sending data out to funders was very low. However, under the direction of our Te Mui Whakarai, we were able to consolidate down to 3 systems.
Ultimately, the impact that working together with different providers, different vendors, different suppliers, and all the mahi that we do as a hauora provider, the ultimate goal for us is that whānau don't need us. All we're there to do is just to help and guide them to be able to stand in what they determine as their own mana motuhake, what their own journeys are, that they can be resilient, that they can be self-managed. And that's what our purpose is, I guess, is for whānau to be able to drive towards what they determine as their own hauora journey.